What is up, YouTube? So I wanted to do a quick review of this wiring I picked up for the Yukon system install. I went with Welding Cable on the IS300, and I decided I wanted to go with Welding Cable again this time just for the cost savings it provides. Picked up 50 feet of 2-aught. I think it was about $100. Had a 25% off coupon, $75 shipped to my door for 50 feet of 2-aught. Go ahead and bust out the Harbor Freight digital calipers here, and I'm pressing on that as pretty much as hard as I can. So 14.9. I cut a piece of jacket off. There's channel lock 911s. Definitely check those out. Got the excess power battery here. Alright, let's check the and 1.79 on the jacket. So sorry I don't have anything to compare it here to. You know, it looks like it's great quality wire. It's plenty bendable. I'll be able to do anything I need with this. You know, sometimes people are like, oh, welding cable's not bendable, and they also say the jacket's not thick. I mean, dude, welding cable's made to be drug around floors, job sites, everything else. So I had great luck with it on the IS300 install, and I'm hoping to have great luck with it on this one. So alright guys, you know what to do. Again, I also link this in the bottom. It's ACDCWIREANDSUPPLY. They're on eBay. They also have their own website. I think they're located out in Michigan, so check them out. You know what to do. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Questions, comments, throw them in the section below. Be safe out there, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.